So we are Team Decoders and we are here to present our project topic on stock engines, which is our term project. So we go on starting with the presentation and it says, we are four of us in the team, Devashi, Shaurya, Harleen and Rajiv. So we start with the introduction. So basically this project deals with a user profile and a dashboard which plays around strategies and stocks that a user may buy or implement or invest in. And it also implements like 12 major user test cases that we have gathered on the basis of the day-to-day interaction of users with the stock market. So this is about the introduction. The Django architecture is the model view controller, the MVC architecture, and Django, as everybody knows, is a Python web framework and it supports the MVC pattern. Now, the main components of the architecture that we've mentioned in our project are user, Django, URL, view, model, and template. So the features that we've implemented mainly, apart from the test cases, is that we've implemented two kinds of databases, operational and analytical. And the extra features that we have is basically the analysis part of the project, which was a totally new functionality that was added by us. And doing analysis on the trends, on the stocks related to the market that is going on. So that was the extra feature, and this was in turn the most challenging part because we did not know how to make any interaction between operational and analytical databases and how to map both of them together. So that was the biggest challenge that we faced. So moving on, we have like test cases like login, forgot password, then we go to sign up, then we have weekly trend of portfolio values. Everything would be there in the project later when I explain. And market performance. So these are like seven, like 12 test cases that we've implemented, and on the basis of each daily interaction of the user. So for the demo part of it, I'll please refer to the video which I'm going to show you now as the demonstration of the project. So firstly, Quandl, we've taken the latest data for our project from Quandl, which actually gives you the most updated data. And we start with the project with the sign up. So we have the sign up, the login page. So we have the sign up functionality here. Then we enter the usernames here and get started. Or if we are an existing user, we just log into the username password through the username password and just go into our dashboard. We also have a forgot password functionality which makes you re-enter your password in case you forget it. So this user 1234 with the password has been already made. So was user 1234. This user has like 4 components. Any user would have these 4 components in the dashboard. So portfolio performance, market performance, invest, and investment trends. Now portfolio performance deals with the it's actually very user dedicated. So it deals with there are 2 charts you see here. So it deals with the first one, the portfolio value deals with the previous 5-day values of the user and his investments in stocks. The investment breakdown actually deals with the investment of different stocks of the user in this chart. And then we go to market performance. Market performance is basically this you see chart here is the real-time updation of the stocks that has been carried out, and it keeps varying as and when the prices and everything changes, the rate, basically the price. So this is here, the pie chart shows the investment strategy. Now we have 4 to 5 strategies which we show in the next which I'll show in the investment part of the project. So each user has an option to invest in one of the strategies, and it shows that with strategies distribution is how much percentage. So when we go to invest, So we have three options here: invest in strategy, invest in stocks, and add pre-existing stocks. So invest in strategy will give you the amount to invest in the strategy, and it'll give you like five options for ethical growth, index, quality, and value. So ethical has like five set of stocks. So basically or growth has like another five set of stocks. So based on whatever stocks you want to invest in, or whatever you think is the best strategy for you, you can do it from here. Then if a user does not want to like just not invest in a strategy and just go and directly invest in a stock, you can do it with invest stocks here. Then there's an option of add pre-owned stocks in your portfolio. So you have like stocks of some company, and you have the price of it, and you can add your pre-existing stocks to your portfolio when you make it here in the dashboard. This was about invest. Now we have the investment trends, which is more of the analysis part of the project. So it has like two charts: stock, investment, and strategies. So this basically shows that okay, Adobe is like 2532 in investment in dollars, and Google is going higher in price, and Apple is going higher in price. So basically a user who is not stock friendly, or who's new to the stock market, how would he know that uh, you know I have to invest in this stock with a particular kind of strategy? So this is basically for that. This is like the total investment and the stocks, just to show a trend that okay, this stock is trending. Similarly for the strategies, if I'm a new user and I want to know what strategy is trending in the market, so I can just go on this chart and see okay, index investing is trending, so I'll see what all stocks cover in the index investing, and just invest in that strategy to get a profit. So yeah, this is pretty much the whole dashboard that we have in our project. And I think the demo part of it is left. The actual code that our teammates would show you. So this is like the part A of the project, and the part A video of the project. So the part B video of the project would be done by another team member. Thank you so much.